This sketch is easy, but here's how to do it faster than most. Start with the simplest shape. This keeps things clear from the beginning. Double-click to reuse the same tool without going back to the toolbar. Use the tools in a smart way. That means knowing how they behave. For example, with the By-Tangent Line tool, the tangent is created as close as possible to the spot where you click on the circle. If you understand this, you can control the result much faster. Whenever you can, mirror your shapes. It saves time and ensures everything stays even. Instead of trimming each line separately at every step, wait and trim all the extra lines at the end in one go. By using the trim tool smartly, double-click it and apply it multiple times. This makes the process very fast. And the next most important tip is, follow this channel for more quick tips.